Located in Avándaro, a private community roughly 2 hours outside of Mexico City, CRA House is a four-gable holiday home with a central skylight which used a strategy of stylistic hybridization to conform to local building guidelines. The home has four-gable form that rest on a concrete base. The 590 square meter home used specific forms and local materials while still maintaining a modern profile. To prevent overheating, the roofline projects past the glass, creating a shaded outdoor space. On the ground floor, guests enter via a covered concrete portico that leads to the center of the home. Because of the cross-shaped layout of the home has a variety of outdoor spaces, with varying levels of privacy in each. The most of the living space is outwards, and included sliding glass doors that expand the residents' living space to the outdoor spaces and pool, which is built into the concrete base. The large skylight illuminates the space, casting dramatic shadows onto the exposed timber structure. Within the base, a ground-level space contains the public areas and guest rooms, while each of the gabled form upstairs contains a bedroom for members of the family. On the upper floor, the four bedrooms share a central landing. Inside each suite, the roof's angled profile is left exposed, creating tall spaces with plenty of light flooding in from the full-height openings at the end of each gable. There are a mezzanine floor in each bedroom, which can be used as a play area or study. Each one branches off in a different direction and includes its own ensuite, providing the residents with complete privacy. Here's a look at the plan. Throughout the residence, the home's structural systems were mostly left exposed.